let's turn to the woman that you really want to hear from before you step out the door, meteorologist Catherine Maxwell. Catherine, as I was coming in, like I said, it was 50s and 60s. It felt really cool. It felt almost fall-like, but that was just a teaser for folks who work overnights. Folks who were waking up this morning, we're gonna warm up a little bit, aren't we?
Yeah, and I mean, Joshua, it's still the same right now, 50s and 60s. In the next couple of hours when that sun starts to rise, that's when we'll start to warm things up. But there is one nuisance for us this morning, and that is some poor visibility. We are starting off now with a little bit of some patchy fog, dense in some spots. Pineville right now at 1 mile in visibility, 3 miles in Beckley, and we have right around 4 miles right now in Bluefield. So not a bad idea. May want to head out the door just a few minutes earlier throughout that morning drive. And another thing that we're looking at today is some of that surface smoke too. So we'll have some hazy skies throughout today. Even tomorrow we'll still hold on to a little bit of a light haze. So if you are someone that is pretty sensitive to air pollutants, I would use caution today and tomorrow because of that. Now, temperatures yesterday were cooler than normal, and we're pretty much on that same track for today. Most of us will have temperatures middle and upper 70s and the 80s. 0% chance of rain all day today with mostly sunny skies. But remember, we'll have a little bit of that haze with us still. Now, we are very dry across much of the viewing area, but on the drought monitor, the eastern half and the southern half of our viewing area are under this abnormally dry sector. I think it's possible we'll stay under this throughout the rest of this work week, even though we will have a chance of rain try to build in. We'll actually see a couple of stray showers try to work in overnight tonight. Just that 20% chance though, that'll mainly try to build in after midnight, but most of us I think will stay dry with increasing clouds. Temperatures tonight will still be on the cooler end. Most of us will be in the 50s and the lower 60s. Now tomorrow actually we have a nicer chance for rain to come back, 50% chance, 40% chance throughout the middle of the work week, and we'll still hold on to a chance of rain Friday and into Saturday. But notice that these numbers aren't that high. 50% chance tomorrow is a little bit better, but it's not completely widespread for us, so still some of us could be dry throughout this work week. Why we have this chance of rain for us building back in tomorrow and into Wednesday and Thursday is because of the stalled front down to the southeast. This is going to wrap a little bit of moisture back into our area though. That's why it's pretty scattered for us though. Going to be comfy rest of this work week though, so that's something positive that we can look at for us. But pretty much all day today is going to be a dry one, mostly sunny skies for us. A little bit of that haze though is still going to be with us. Overnight after midnight, spotty shower too will try to work in for us. And then tomorrow, that 50% chance for showers and a couple of isolated storms will be with us pretty much all day for Tuesday. So we'll still see chances of rain throughout this work week, but they're pretty low chances, so some of us could still stay dry. And then even into the weekend, we're still looking mostly dry as well. Temperatures on the cooler end, middle of the work week, but then we will see temperatures warm back up as we head Thursday and into the weekend.